Kern's FiberCELL is a high-performance Class 1 metal cutting laser system. Metals such as mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and brass can be processed on the machine's 52 by 50-inch work area. Laser sources from 500 watts to 3 kilowatts can be installed on the FiberCELL platform. The compact design of this metal cutting system greatly reduces the machine's overall footprint and will save valuable floor space on shop floors. The FiberCELL's Class 1 safety enclosure makes this system an ideal fit for a wide range of manufacturing atmospheres. Interlocked access points will shut off the laser source if a window or door is opened. Specially filtered windows do not allow the fiber's laser wavelength to escape the enclosure. The system's delivery fiber is connected directly to the cutting head, eliminating the need for turning mirrors, which greatly reduces service time and maintenance costs. The FiberCELL is installed with a Fiber Mini processing head. This cutting head allows operators to easily set the focal depth required per the metal being cut. The front of the processing head features a tray for a protective cover lens. This F-lens is a low-cost, replaceable lens which reduces reflection and contamination of the main focusing lens. The motion system of the FiberCELL consists of high-quality linear motors and Kern's HyperDual motion package. Kern's engineers spent countless hours perfecting and redesigning the major mechanical and motion systems, resulting in a design that offers smooth cut radiuses, quick acceleration rates, and the fastest cutting speeds Kern has presented to date. A programmable air controller allows 3 separate assist gases to be connected to the FiberCELL. The gas type and pressure are set through the K-CAM software. When considering metal cutting, a fiber laser has distinct advantages over CO2 laser equipment. One such advantage is the fact that the fiber beam is more readily absorbed into the metal being processed. This generally allows for faster cutting speeds than a CO2 laser when compared watt for watt. Replaceable copper slats are installed on the machine's bed. This durable cutting bed allows for thick, heavy sheets to be processed while staying flat during laser processing. A closed-loop chilling unit is included to properly cool the laser source and maintain a consistent power level. An exhaust blower safely removes fumes created during material processing and ducts them to the outside of your building. If access to a duct is not practical, an optional fume extraction unit is available. LED light strips are installed along the ceiling of the FiberCELL's enclosure, giving operators a good view of the product being processed. Optional machine upgrades include the K-Vision camera system and a Z-axis rotary attachment. Kern offers advanced CAD software solutions to maximize efficiency and machine throughput using nesting, common line cutting, bridge cutting, lead-in control, and tab generation. If your shop is looking for a compact, safe, and powerful metal cutting system, Kern's FiberCELL should be at the top of your list.